What's up guys, it's the Rogue Vet here coming at you with another video. So today will be my first time washing the car at home, and I'll go over the process with you on how I wash the car. Just wanted to make this quick video just to see a little montage of me doing that. But let me know what y'all guys think in the comments. Let's go ahead and get in the action. Let's go. We did it. All right, just wanted to get a quick wash in just to clean it because it's been dirty for a while. But I'll probably do a couple more car wash videos, either here at the house or at the at the car washes. Anyway guys, I hope y'all had a good time watching this video. Till the next one.